Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color a big mansion.
Let's start drawing.
To start, I'm going to draw a big rectangle. Then a small square that will be the garage. And a terrace on the top like this. Now let's draw the roof on the top. Good! Let's divide this rectangle like this. These are going to be the rooms of the house. Now let's draw a simple car in the garage. Good! Now let's start with the living room. I draw the sofa. Then a floor lamp. And a small table with a plant on top. Now let's draw stairs and the kitchen. I draw the refrigerator. Then the storage part with a faucet on the top and a pot. Finally, I draw a table with 2 chairs. For the second floor, I'm going to draw the bathroom first. I draw a bathtub, a faucet, and a bathroom. Finally, I draw the bedroom with a large bed and 2 nightstands with these lamps on the top. Excellent!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
I paint the roof red. And then I use orange and yellow. Later, I use green and blue. I color the car red, yellow, light blue, gray, and black. For the sofa, I use purple and light purple. I use fuchsia and yellow for the lamp. For the small table, I use brown. Then I color the plant pink and green. I color the kitchen table and chairs light brown. Then I use mint for the fridge. I color this storage blue. Then I use red and gray, purple. I paint the nightstand brown. Then I use green for the lamps. For the bed, I use fuchsia, mauve, and pink. In the bathroom, I'm going to use light blue, gray, and blue. Finally, I am going to color the walls of each room. I use aqua blue for the garage. Then orange in the living room. Light blue for the kitchen. Mint for the bathroom. Light purple for the bedroom. Finally, I color the floor green. And I add a little light blue to the background. Amazing!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.